Hello everyone, welcome to IAS Darshana. I hope you all are doing very well. So without wasting any of our time, let's move to the topics of the day. Today's topic is Center for Trade and Investment Law organizes third international moot court competition under WTO chairs program. The Center for Trade and Investment Law (CTIL), Indian Institute of Foreign Trade, in collaboration with the School of Law, Bennett University, organized the third CTIL Bennett International Moot Court Competition 2026 from 6th to 8th February 2026 at Greater Noida under the aegis of the WTO Chairs Program. The three-day international moot court competition served as an academic platform for law students to engage with contemporary issues in international trade, law, and labor standards. Teams from universities across India and abroad participated in the competition. The rounds were evaluated by experts drawn from the legal profession, academia, and policy institutions. The moot proposition focused on issues relating to alleged violations of labor standards and occupational safety obligations under a free trade agreement following an industrial accident and subsequent regulatory developments. Judge Supreme Court of India Judge Rajesh Bindal addressed the inaugural session and underscored the importance of constitutional values, judicial reasoning, and the role of the legal institutions in upholding the rule of law. Vice Chancellor Bennett University Dr. Raj Singh spoke on the role of universities in advancing policy-oriented legal education. Speakers also highlighted the importance of WTO law moots in capacity building and strengthening understanding of international trade governance. Academic publications were also released during the program. Judge Supreme Court of India Judge Pankaj Mittal addressed the valedictory session and emphasized the role of legal education in strengthening justice delivery systems, highlighting constitutional principles, judicial integrity, and professional responsibility. The valedictory session also included the announcement of results and presentation of awards recognizing excellence in research, advocacy, and overall performance. The competition reaffirmed the role of academic and policy institutions in promoting advanced study and practical engagement in international trade law and global economic governance. So the next topic for the day is NCLT President Chief Justice R. Ramalingam Sudhakar demits office. The Honorable President of the National Company Law Tribunal, Chief Justice retired Ramalingam Sudhakar, demitted office today, 13th February 2026, after completing a distinguished tenure at the helm of the tribunal. He had joined the tribunal in November 2021. During his tenure of over 4 years, the president significantly strengthened the institution and contributed meaningfully to the dispensation of justice in corporate and insolvency matters. His leadership was marked by diligence, integrity, and an unwavering commitment to judicial excellence. Speaking at the farewell reference held in his honor, in the presence of members of the tribunal and office bearers of the NCLT bar associations, the president observed that the resolution rate of cases had increased substantially due to the collective cooperation of all stakeholders. He noted that during the last 4 years, out of nearly 54,800 cases instituted before the tribunal, more than 48,000 cases were disposed of, resulting in an impressive resolution rate of over 85%. Apart from his judicial responsibilities, the president also focused on strengthening administrative systems and improving infrastructural facilities. These initiatives contributed significantly to the smooth functioning of the tribunal and fostered an efficient and conducive working environment for members of the bar, litigants, and staff alike. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.